Hi, brother. How are you?
Hi, how are you? I am fine. What about
Yeah.
you?
Yes, I'm also fine. Thank you. So, where are you calling from? After a long time?
Yeah, yeah. After a very long time. Actually, I am from West Bengal. Okay, my name is Nasim, and
Actually, I remember that last time we were conversation, but that moment you didn't share your location. That's why I'm asking, like, where are you calling from? It's long time all
okay.
ago. We can say last year, like in October month, 2020
Yeah,
October
yeah.
month, we had a conversation. So I was forget, man. So after long time,
Yeah,
please
yeah.
tell me about yourself.
When when I was start learning English, that time I did conversation with you.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, right. Okay.
and it's after very long time. You can
Yeah.
say. Yeah, I am from West Bengal. Okay, my name is Nasim, and I am just 2 years old. I'm doing job in hotel industry, but right now I am at my home. Okay, because of Corona, Corona is increasing in our India. That's why I came home before 15 days. Okay, 15 days ago. Yeah. What
Okay.
about yourself?
Yeah, in here also like I'm also staying at home nowadays because lockdown started. We don't have any job, and I'm also searching a job in hospitality industry and aviation industry, brother. So I want to ask you, bro. Like you told me, I was working a hotel sector. So which department you were working?
I am working in tandoor department. You know about you can say kitchen. I make food. Okay.
Okay, so you were food and beverage F&B.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, that's great. So how was your experience? How was your experience? Like how many you work over there?
Actually, my experience is about 7 years.
7 years. Oh my God,
Yeah, yeah.
this is too much. Okay. Uh-huh.
Because my age is just 22 years old. When I was 13 years old, that time I left my study and I went hotel industry. Okay, because that time I
Okay.
had some problem and
Oh, I
now
see.
yeah, that's why
Okay. So,
my
brother, like,
experience.
was hotel like? Is it five-star hotel and like two-star and one-star like that?
Yeah, not 5 star. You can say star property like 1 star, like multi-cuisine restaurant.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, I see. That's great. So, did you learn over there about in 7 years? Like, what did you learn about? We can say like communication, culture, and how to give a best welcome. Did you learn everything in hotel industry over there?
yeah. Yeah, I learned lot of thing I learned. Okay, I am working. It has been 7 years. Okay, I work. I learn how can I make food. Okay, how can I manage lots of people. Okay, how can I
Okay.
manage the department and how can I manage our business? How can I grow? Okay,
Oh, I
lot of
see.
thing I learned. Okay,
Okay, that's great, brother. Even I remember that like before lockdown, I was also working a hotel industry, brother, as a front office. I worked 1 year, and it was amazing experience, brother. Over there, I was also like handling a guest, and every day I was trying to talk with stranger people like from Japanese, from Chinese, from like Algeria, West Indies.
yeah, yeah,
Hotel industry like lots of foreigner they come and they visit, they stay with a hotel, and they talk about like culture, they talk about, obviously they come like as a business purpose.
yeah,
So that when we learn, try to something new, like about culture, about like we can say like how to behavior with those people, and about like talking conversation, everything. Whenever we attract with any new passenger, new guest, new customer in a hotel industry, so we feel too happy, like we discuss about something interesting. So I remember that, brother. It was amazing experience in hospitality industry. I love it.
Yeah,
But
but
if you
I am not. But I am not happy with my job because I want to start my own business in my future. That's why I am learning English. Because when we will start, when I start my own business, that time English will be very important for me. Okay, that's why. If you will ask why I am not happy with my job, because I want to become a businessman. Okay, that's why I
okay.
am not satisfied with my job. If you
Oh, I
want to
see.
if you want to become a successful person, then you have to start your own business, like whatever you want to do. Okay, that's why.
Right, right.
No, but I will do my work. Okay, after some time, after some years, I will leave my job and I will start my own business. That's why I am learning English, because English is very important in this world nowadays. Okay, that's why and my dream is I want to start my business. That time English will be very important. That's why I'm learning English. I thought for my future. Okay, I
Okay.
thought about
So,
my
brother,
future.
can you talk about your business? Like, what kind of? I mean, will you start your business like cafe, restaurant, hotel? What
Yeah,
kind of business?
first of all, I want to start my own restaurant. I have lot of experience about hotel industry. That's why I want to start my own hotel. Yeah, if you that will success, then I will start. I will open another business. First of all, I want to start my own hotel.
Okay. Yeah, obviously, brother, you deserve it because you have a good experience, like 7 to 8 year experience you have. So you just think about like just start your own business like a restaurant, hotel. Maybe it's gonna improve about you. We can say like you will achieve something. Already you learn many things about hotel industry, about restaurant, like that, how to deal with customer, how to attract, and how to do a business. Already you know very well, so you can start your
Yeah,
own
yeah.
business. It's not big deal,
Yes, yes.
brother. So when will you start? After lockdown, and maybe you will take
Not
like
after lockdown.
1 and 2 years.
It will take 2 3 years.
2 years. Okay.
Yeah, 2 3 years it
Okay.
will take because I have some problem.
Yeah,
That's why
I
I can't
understand.
I can't I can't start nowadays. I can't start after lockdown. It will take 2 3 years. After 2 3 years, I will start.
Yeah, in this duration, we can say 2 and 3 years. Like you will get an idea where should I start, and or how much rupees should I invest, and which place, what kind of like decorate everything, hotel, like restaurant. So you can just collect information and think about, then invest your business, invest your amount, whatever you want to start your business like restaurant. So,
Yeah. But
brother, I'm confusing. Like a restaurant means like we can say small restaurant, big restaurant, middle restaurant. So, what kind of restaurant you want to start in future time?
first of all, I want to start a small restaurant. Okay, if my that restaurant will be success, okay, then I will start big restaurant. First of all, I want to start my small restaurant. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. That's good. So, like, restaurant means like some people start a restaurant like cafe, tea, coffee, and some kind of like veg food, non-veg foods. So, what's your plan? What's your plan?
My plan is actually I don't want to make coffee tea. I want to make lunch, dinner. You can find that time you can find non-veg food, veg food, and Chinese. Okay.
So we can call to all category, like in your restaurant you can provide a good service like all food. You can try to make a all food like in your restaurant.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, that's
yeah,
that's great. Okay, so did
yeah.
you decide like what budget, and about like place, about staff? Did you decide yet, like how
No,
to I
I, I didn't decide. Okay, because it will take lots of time. When I will start, before that I will think, okay, how much money I will spend for my business, and how many staff I will
Yeah.
take for my business, for my restaurant. Okay, that time I will think. But nowadays I'm thinking about my job. Nowadays I'm thinking about money. How can I earn more money? Okay,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah,
that,
that's great, brother. That's great. Seriously. If you talk
yeah.
about like, see, whenever you start your business, so please hire me as a reception boy. Okay. Please,
No, no, no,
please
yeah.
as a manager, as a supervisor. Okay.
Actually, I want to. I hope you can achieve what you want to achieve in your future. Okay.
Okay. Okay. I hope so,
Yeah.
brother. Okay. So, bro, like all the best to your future plan, and thank you very much for connecting with me.